Today we're going to be knocking out some maintenance on the B9 3.0T engine. What are we doing today? We're going to knock out an oil change. Fun stuff, right? Let's get right into it. Go ahead and pull your engine cover. First thing we're going to do is pop off the plug to the oil dipstick tube. All right, now we're going to wipe off the dirt around the oil cap because we do not need that stuff going in there. All right, now I want you to just go like this so it can vent and suck in air. And we're gonna go ahead and stick the tube down there and we're gonna start sucking. There you go. You feel it hit at the bottom, go a little bit past it. All right, now go ahead and turn on your sucker. So now you guys can see there's no oil being sucked in. I'm gonna push it all the way down there. See it's sucking up a little bit, you can tell. All right, that's it. So we're gonna go and pull the straw. So now we're going to start the car up just for 5 seconds, go and shut it down, and then you want to do key on, engine off. We're going to go through the MMI and find the oil level. First thing we're going to do is press menu, scroll over to vehicle. Now we're on oil level. The car needs to be level to actually see a proper reading of the oil level. After a couple of minutes, it will actually show the level and see if you need to add some or take some out. Well guys, not too hard of a job, right? With that being said, 3 key factors to remember. 0W20 Castrol is the best route I would recommend. 2, OEM filter, no other route. 3, 7.5 quarts. Start out there, work your way up. That being said guys, thank you for tuning in. Like always, stay BDT tuned.